Hi guys, welcome back to LegalNoggin. I'm Wendy, and today we're going to talk about how to fight back at work. Have you ever had anyone maybe touch you too much? You know, a little creepy? Well, I do know what that's like. So what do you do about it? First, you can tell your supervisor. Well, what do you do if it's your supervisor? Then you can tell HR. Wonder if HR still doesn't do anything about it. You can go to the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, or EEOC, and file a claim for sexual harassment there. The most important thing that you do, though, during that entire process is make sure you put it in writing. Even if you say something to your supervisor or HR verbally, follow up with an email like, hey, this is just a follow-up on our conversation today. There are other things that go on in the workplace that you can fight for yourself. And maybe someone is accusing you of trying to take their job, or saying that you're not good enough because you're a woman. Or maybe you don't deserve the promotion because, you know, you got too many things going on at home. You have too many priorities, you know, because you're a mom and you can't juggle everything. Well, everyone knows, if you're a woman, that you do know how to juggle a lot of things, because we are mothers, we are women. Well, we deserve the promotion just as much as a man if you are qualified for that job. So those are discriminatory remarks. What do you do? Well, same thing. You go to your supervisor. If your supervisor doesn't do anything, go to HR, and of course, put it in writing. And if they still don't do anything, go to Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. I hope these tips help, and don't forget, like and subscribe.